Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast of the WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add degree symbols in Excel or in Word. So I will show you. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you if you hit the if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay. So here you can see I have some data and I want to apply the degree symbol here. Just click on this and go to the insert, and insert you will find the symbol option. Just click on it. On just You can find degree symbols here, or if you don't find here, just click on more symbols and go to the okay. In symbols here you can find symbols, like if you go here and find option like okay, if you don't find here, if you doesn't find here symbols, you have to check from here. You have to select everything, every font, and you can check from here. Or the shortcut is go to the autocorrect, and just click on math automate correct and click on this. Click on math autocorrect and just find degree in D section. So just go to CD VC. Okay, in D, there is a this is a degree symbols here, and here you can see there is a shortcuts key or formula. You can see we have to use uh, we have to use a black slash, and we have to have degree, then the degree symbol will become. Just let's see. Okay, you can add okay, you can add like here. Just close it and just enter the backslash and write degree. You can see. So you can see the degree symbol has been appear here. Just use back black slash and write degree. The degree symbol will become. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for